In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join beta testing on Google Play. If you want early access to new app features before they roll out to everyone, joining a beta program is a great option. Just keep in mind that beta versions can sometimes be less stable than the regular public release, so you may notice bugs or unfinished features. With that said, let's walk through the process step by step. Start by opening the Google Play Store app on your Android device. This is where you'll manage app downloads, updates, and beta access. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you use for the Play Store, since beta enrollment is connected to that account. Once the Play Store is open, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This opens the account menu where you'll find the settings and options related to your apps and device activity. From there, select Manage Apps and Devices and then switch to the Manage tab. In this section, choose the installed category so you can see the apps currently on your device. After that, tap the specific app you want to test. This will open that app's detail page where Google Play shows information like updates, app description, and available participation options. Now scroll down through the app's detail page until you find the section labeled Join the Beta. Depending on the app, this section may appear a little further down, so take your time and scroll carefully. Also, not every app offers beta testing, so if you don't see this section, that usually means the developer hasn't made a beta program available for that app. When you find the beta section, tap Join. A pop-up window should appear asking you to confirm your choice. Go ahead and confirm to continue. This tells Google Play that you want to switch from the standard public version of the app to the beta version. After that, give it a few minutes. Google usually needs a short amount of time to update your account information and process your enrollment. Once that's done, you should see an app update become available. That update will replace the standard version currently installed on your device with the beta version. At that point, you'll be enrolled in the beta and ready to test new features as they become available. If the update doesn't appear immediately, just wait a little longer and check the app page again in the Play Store, and that's how to join beta testing on Google Play.